Unlocking the power of examples. How to illustrate the point. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression that's widely used in both casual and formal English. Illustrate the point. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your ability to communicate complex ideas more effectively. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a powerful tool in language. To illustrate the point means to provide an example, analogy, or story that makes a concept, idea, or argument clearer or more understandable. The word illustrate here is key, suggesting that you're painting a picture with words to help your audience visualize or comprehend the point you're making. This expression is incredibly useful in both spoken and written English, helping to bridge the gap between abstract ideas and tangible understanding. Using illustrate the point correctly can greatly enhance your ability to articulate ideas. Here are a few examples to show how this phrase can be seamlessly integrated into sentences. To illustrate the point, let's consider the example of Thomas Edison, who failed countless times before successfully inventing the light bulb. Here, a historical example helps to emphasize perseverance and creativity. Imagine you're saving for a car. To illustrate the point of compound interest, if you start saving early, you'll need to put aside less money each month. This uses a familiar scenario to clarify a financial concept. To further illustrate the point, think of how a single drop of water can create ripples across an entire lake, demonstrating the impact of small actions on a larger scale. A vivid analogy helps to convey the importance of minor contributions. Explaining abstract concepts or supporting arguments with examples is a fundamental teaching and communication technique because it engages the audience's imagination and helps them relate personally to the topic. When you illustrate a point, you enhance understanding. By providing a concrete example, you make complex ideas more accessible. Increase retention. People are more likely to remember information that's connected to a story or an example. Encourage engagement. Examples can spark interest and encourage your audience to think more deeply about the subject. Illustrate the point is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful communication tool that can make your messages clearer, more engaging, and memorable. Whether you're writing an essay, making a presentation, or just having a conversation, remember the power of examples. They not only convey your message more effectively but also ensure that your audience can see, understand, and remember the point you're making. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this explanation illuminates the importance of illustrating your points in all your English communications.